Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Friday, October 11th of 2024, and we are back for yet another stream. A little zoomed out. The other way. Yeah, that'll do. Anyway, how y'all doing? Happy Friday. Figured I would just click start stream, so we're here. The plan for today's stream is Python 3.13 has been released, and I wanted to show this off because I am extremely excited about this. Not that one. This is funny though, but the really cool thing is, remember all that fucking work we did for Dead Snakes? It released it automatically. I didn't even know 3.13.0 had landed until somebody told me. And then I went to check Dead Snakes, and well, it's already there. I didn't even have to do anything. It was ready before I was, which is really cool. So all that work we put into automating Dead Snakes paid off. The other thing that happened along that same line is Python 3.8 hit end of life, and immediately at end of life this failed, which is good. It's good that it failed, I trust, because otherwise it would have promoted garbage. But yeah, so immediately failed, which is great. And yeah, the system works somehow. Oh, what the fuck? Oh no, that's MOTD. I was like, I'm pretty sure I set the today correctly. But yeah, anyway, that auto promoted, which I'm really happy with. And I mean, we put a shit ton of work into making it work, so it better fucking work. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. We also got this to replay. D-Delsp has resubbed at 46 months. RIP Python 3.8. You are a version of Python of all time. It's true, it's true. Thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again. And I hope you're doing well, D-Dels. Let's see. Kegsit was first today. Congrats on your first. JJMC is also here. Beldothis is also here. Ormus, hello, hello. Friday stream, indeed. Marsha's here. That is the slowest, saddest bongo I have seen in quite a while. But I guess that's the mop bongos. We've also got Prisoner. It's been a while. Good to see you again. I guess it's Prisoner because there's an extra number in there. Or is it Price Loner? I don't know. Campus iPad's also here. How you doing? Good to see you again. Meat Sauce. Hello, hello. Pretty sure I'm on a roll catching your streams lately. Indeed. You have been here for, I think, most of the recent ones, which is real cool. Edel says it's the day before Pseudo's birthday. Happy early birthday to Pseudo. It was all worth it? Yeah, that's what I'm telling myself, right? Yeah. 3 stream streak for Belnothis. Ayo. Let's go. Morning Sci-Fi, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Don't name shame. I'm not meaning to name shame. I just don't know how they pronounce it. I'm guessing it's Prisoner because that makes the most sense. Watching Bird, also welcome to the stream. How you doing? Are we name shaming your extra D? No. I kid, of course. But anyway, the plan for today's stream is to go through my usual checklist of stuff to do when the latest version of Python releases. And I think the list is out of date, so I don't even remember where it is. So we gotta find the list first. I'm pretty sure the list doesn't include the pre-commit CI stuff. So we will have to do that and add it to this list. Oh, no, it is. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Only an extra D for you, Anthony. Yeah. Next version is 3.14. Yeah, it's true. Which maybe the last version that the numbers go in order like that. It may jump to 3.25 after that. Or no. 3.26? What year is it? Yeah, something like that. Calendar version. Anyway, so let's get started with this, I guess. Calvert, yeah. there's a proposal to switch Python to calendar versioning. Fuck off, you stupid AI. It is funny that it's called PEP 2026 too. I think it was originally called PEP 2025, but yeah. There is a draft to change it up. Yeah. Don't know if it'll happen, but I know a lot of people were excited about this. But yeah. Drugs. This is really? Why am I not listed first? They just fucking ripped my shit off. This is such bullshit. Even the YTT is fucking my codes. Anyway. Enough rage. No rage today. Yeah. Whew. Ben. S1 Cube, hello, how you doing? Good to see you. I hope they won't accept it. I mean, yeah. S1 Cube says, greeting from CPH. Oh. You're in Copenhagen? Question mark? Airport code? Compiler TV says if you don't want AI in Google, append UDM equals 14. Really? Does that really work? UDM equals 14. Oh, it does work. What the fuck is that? Surely somebody has something about this. Disenshittification Konami code. What? Polymathic Man, thank you for the reset bet. 50 months! Holy shit. Too many months! It's true, but also not enough months. Also good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Watching Bird says, what's your hot take about it though? It's already on YouTube. You can already look it up. Desterin, hello. How you doing? Copenhagen. Okay, yeah, it was Copenhagen. Cool. Nice. Cyber Benny's also here. At least it's in alphabetical order reversed. Yeah, right. Talking of airports, I'm off to Oslo, Norway for my first work client visit. Oh, exciting. Fun. Airports, yeah. I didn't know this was a thing. This is so funny. Apparently there are reports that it no longer works. But anyway, that's anyway. Yeah, let's get started with this checklist. So the first thing to do is set up CFG format. This is gonna be hopefully a lot of very simple yars. What am I doing? So, funny thing about where I live is it had been consistently chilly for like a week, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll turn my heat off. Or turn my heat on and turn my air conditioning off because air conditioning hadn't run for days and my house was getting chilly. So I was like, fine, I'll finally turn the heat on. And would you look at that? The one fucking day I turned my heat on, it's hot again. And it's just this one day, and then it's gonna go back to being chilly again. But like, I'm getting trolled by the weather. Anyway, what do I have to do here? Oh, we have an example PR, even better. We just changed max pi version. Max pi version to 313. And does the readme actually generate these? Can I just not? Okay, I didn't do it for 3. Oh fuck. This is not. God damn it. I'm just gonna put dot here. Maybe I just get rid of this so I don't have to update it in the future. Yeah. I don't think it's mentioned anywhere else though, so yeah, we'll call that good enough. What is that in non-freedom units? Like 23. It's not that hot, but it's warmer than room temperature. DL says that hot day is tomorrow for me. Then the windows and whole house fan take precedence over the air conditioning. Yeah, nice, nice. Meatsa says I wrote my first Azure pipeline today. GitHub Actions is so much more straightforward, isn't it? I feel like they're about the same. I actually feel like GitHub Actions is a little weaker than Azure pipelines, but I've managed to make it work. And Azure pipelines is definitely more maintenance only mode now, so it doesn't have as many features. But what are you gonna do? All right, is that really it? I feel like that's it. You can run the test in Python 3.13 and see what happens. Great, so stupid fun. Git log -g max pi setup CFG format. What did I do for the last time I did this? Git show this. Oh, I had to update one of the tests. Cool. Max pi version. Update max pi version to 3.13. Bum, 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 bum. It's 7 here, 48 in freedom units. Nice. A little chilly. 23 sounds nice. There's 3C when I got out of bed this morning. Ah. Very chilly. Meansaw says is 12:30 a.m. here and it's 24C. Oh, you're in a warm part of the world. First PR made. Nice. I updated my async Zesh code to use exec instead of zpty. It's working nicely so far. The zpty version crashed too much on Linux. Oh. Lala says, Anthunk, are you going to When We Were Young this year? I think I'm done with festivals. I think I'm done with festivals. 2024 or 2025? I don't even know what the... 2024 just happened, right? Oh, October 19th. That's literally next weekend. I'm not going to this one, for sure. Wow, this page looks like shit. How did they fuck up the CSS so bad? Okay, they don't even have it announced for 2025. But yeah, I'm not going to 2024. Did I tell Chad about my story for going to When We Were Young? I was so excited for it. And I don't really like festivals because they're a lot of work and you gotta walk around and it's hot and you're standing outside for hours and hours and hours. You see a lot of cool music, which is cool. But you also have a lot of music playing all sorts of wherever around you, and so some of it interferes with the other parts. And there's one band you want to see really want to see them, then sometimes it's contentious to get there and blah blah blah. I don't really like. But my buddy from high school and Juicebox Hero, we're gonna go to When We Were Young, and so we all coordinated, got tickets, got flights, hotels. We were gonna hang out together and go watch some cool music. And a bunch of my favorite band was playing, a bunch of Mel's favorite bands were playing, a bunch of David's favorite bands were playing, and we got there. And we hung out the day before because we're like, oh, we're gonna have extra days in Vegas, blah blah blah. I don't really fucking like Vegas. Vegas is expensive, dirty, and I don't enjoy gambling, so it's just not fun. But we hung out and it was nice to hang out with them. And then the morning of festival, we're all getting ready and getting our breakfast snacks. So we've got some food in us for the festival, and we're having our water bottles and all the stuff you need. And we're standing in line at, I think it was Starbucks, I don't even remember. And Tyson Ritter tweets some ominous message that's uh-oh. And minutes later, the festival for that day is canceled. And we've spent, thousands of dollars to get tickets and come all the way to Las Vegas just to have the festival canceled because it was too windy. And so, hang on, I've kept my souvenir. I have the saddest fucking armband you can ever, the most emo piece of armband you can ever have. Which is a Saturday pass for When We Were Young in 2022 because it was fucking canceled. But yeah, anyway, festival sucks, so I'm probably not gonna go there. The armband looks like it wasn't ever touched. I mean, it was on my wrist, and then it was not on my wrist. I'm not exactly sure how I managed to squeeze my hand out of here, but somehow. But yeah, it sits on my dresser as a constant reminder of the sadness that could have happened, but did not. Oh, and then the fucked up thing is like a bunch of the bands were like, oh yeah, we're just gonna do sideshows at bars and stuff, and All American Rejects are one of the bands that was gonna do a sideshow at a bar, and I was like, okay, well, you know, just seeing them would make this whole trip worth it. So we went and stood in line to like hours beforehand to see All American Rejects, and the line cut off like 20 people ahead of us, so we didn't get to see them. So it's just like a shit ending to a shit day. But anyway, yeah, I don't think I'm going to see When We Were Young, despite a bunch of my favorite bands being there. But yeah, what are you gonna do? Did I go to Burning Man? No, Burning Man is not my deal. Kexit says, how the fuck is this festival almost the amount of money I live with every month? Yeah, big ticket festivals will do that. But what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We did have some fun despite the festival being canceled. Like, we went to a karaoke bar, we got sushi, we drank a bunch, I think we played a little bit of slots just so that we could say that we played a little bit of slots, but it was a sad weekend. What you can do? Mr. Swats is here. Hello, how you doing? Anyway, let's we stalled long enough to get this mergeable. Yay. Oh, they fixed the little button now. So let's do that. So this should be describe contains. I think it's a minor version, right? That how that worked? That probably. So we can do bump minor. And we're gonna be releasing a lot of stuff today. IPI token. That. Cool. One done. I am gonna update this to link to this newer PR. Just because this newer PR is more straightforward, but we still spent a lot of money in Vegas, don't you worry. I mean, we didn't really spend that much, but yeah. This response says Python 3.8 is dead. Long live Python 3.8. It's true, it's true. Regenerate symbols in Flagate typing imports. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, I wish I didn't make so many things that I have to update, but what are you going to do? Bin something. Bin build generator. How do you work again? My computer no longer has Python less than 3.7. This is true. The double under all of typing is very unreliable. Also true. What do I have to do here? Can I just run this and see what happens? Yeah, fuck it, why not? I think I have to do this first. Get our tags here. Deleted origin slash 3.8. RIP 3.8. Then build generated. Yeah. You take an argument. Cool. Oh fuck, what was that? What happened here? Oh. Alright, typing IO is gone. So what do with that? Also, we're gonna skip this song because I know it gets copyright claimed. Knowing you, make a new thing to update called Pi Update My Shit. Yeah. Okay, so clearly this This thing needs to have an update for typing IO. Equals this way if this thought version info is greater than or equal to 313 or less than 313, then we list thoughts, then this, and list thought extend this, and then print JSON dumps list, something like that. Oh, this is such a funny hack. Try it again. I have too many parentheses. Yeah. Too many parentheses, I don't know. Alright, one more time. Yeah, ignore all the output here. Nothing can go wrong there. Kegs, it says, almost midnight. I'm gonna sleep, dear Merkin. Have a good stream. Well, thank you for stopping by, Kegs, and have a good one. But it's Friday, indeed. Yeah, the server is also here. Too much Paris? Right? Yeah, Docker. Oh, did it just update it in place? Like it did. Yay, we have a new version. Cool. Regenerate typing symbols for 3.13. You become a Fortran dev. Oh no. Oh no. You poor soul. See what this looks like. Make sure it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Cool. Sweet. Yeah, so we had to change our gen code a little bit because of this. Although, how do that work? Match get included in here? No. Despite it technically being available? Or did it get removed in this version finally? From typing import match. Still there. Aww. What the fuck do I do there? Because they are available. Hey, these are in double under all. Well, what the fuck? Why didn't it show up here then? Or am I just dumb and I can't? We got a problem that we have to fix somehow. Or KKV in bars. K is not in this. Oh, bars. We're using vars, but there are lazily added names in there. We have to somehow handle the lazily added names. Fuck. How do? BG! How you doing? Hello. We're here to fight you, chat. Why are we fighting? Connor, hello, hello, live coding. Good to see you again. Okay, I did the right thing. I didn't raid this time. How you doing? How was your stream? What were you up to? I am currently trying to figure out what the f is going on. It's stupid. You were told to say that. Oh, okay. That's cool. That works. Someone to get at her. Does it cache these? Oh, it does. Okay, so it looks like we can just access all of the attributes first. Well, how is this supposed to work? Does get at her work on this now? I think it does. What happens if we do print typing dot match? What are you gonna do? You gonna crash? Or we'll just access the attribute. Is that a BG raid? It is a BG raid. It does crash. Type object typing has no attribute match. Ugh. How does this work with a real module? Nate Codes is also here. Hello, hello, Nate. You could hear now. Nice. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Good to see you again. How was your stream? What were you up to? Drupa says, yeah, you can. I already have a YouTube video about that. You can just read this. It's not drop-in. That's the biggest problem, though. That's not the right video. I don't know. Is it FAQ rough? Here you go. You can watch that video. It's basically the same thing. Fuck, this is annoying. Can you exec it as a module? So the problem is, 3.13 deprecated some things. Did 3.12 do this too? And I've just been wrong since the end, since this. Get at her. Or is this a new problem in 3.13? It's a new problem in 3.13. Okay, so I only have to handle this for 3.13. Yeah, I'm basically trying to collect the set of symbols that are available in each version of Python in the typing module. But in 3.13, they deprecated some stuff and make them lazily imported from another place. And so this is how that lazy importing works. And so I need to make sure that I can still retrieve these 4 attributes. I mean, I could hardcode them. But they're in double under all, so I feel like I should be able to get them. The private collect parameters function is deprecated. Okay, well. But I think I need to figure out how to make a module getattr work. Module type. I don't think this is going to do anything. Type object type has no. Oops. So if I do a string for a module level getattr called with name, then I do exec s globals equals m dot pict. I think that's gonna work. Of course it's not. Well, it does work. There's something special about. I don't even know how that works, then. I'm kind of curious now. Outcasted Wanderer, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. The real Cammy says, lovely gnome. Indeed, indeed. Nate Code says, I like how you spell Dicksword as Dicksword in all your video descriptions. It's true. It's true. I don't know how else you would spell it. Bedro is Ray now, and the real Cammy. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. It looks like we can fake this with types.module type. So we do have a way to fix this. So I'm kind of curious in CPython where that getattr behavior comes from, because I've never actually done that before. But I'm gonna guess it's in objects. Do we have module object? We do. How does getAtter work? Find it, get item. I module getAttero impl. This is the get attribute object callback, and here's where it retrieves a name double under getAtter. So this is how it implements that. Very neat. Very cool. Okay, so that's how it'll work. Joey's Logan says GNOME FTW, and thank you for the follow, Joey's Logan. I mean it does what I need to do, and that's what really matters. So we need to actually, yeah, we just throw it into a dictionary here, but we gotta, for types, mod equals types dot module type typing. Then need this part here, maybe. File exec dot dict. Then typing. Need this. And then we need to figure out how to make it access all those other things. So we can say if sys.version info is greater than or equal to 313. For k in typing dot double under all getAtter typing k. That might work. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Bandro is right now says GNOME is really based. Based on what? Yeah, so these are available, but we skipped them. We also want to do and this. Export all of things that have double under module. I feel like this isn't going to work, but let's try it and see what happens. Yeah, based on these nuts got him. Ayo. Name mod is not. It's like the breakfast of champions. Gnome, pronounced Nomi, is Greek for opinion. Wait, what? I always heard Gnome. I want to check out Cosmic when it's out of alpha though. Oh, they're replacing the Windows system again. What actually changed here? List is different now. Does it have match? Oh, it does. It does. I'm kind of curious what's different here though, because that diff does not help me figure it out. But we can figure it out with a little bit of code. Branch sorted after minus before. Also do the other way around just in case. Yeah, so we added the 4 that we're missing. Cool. Okay. That does what we want then. Cool. Oh, we've actually needed code changes in both of the things so far? No, just this one. Yeah. I rated it as GNO/me. It's the new desktop environment from System 76. Oh, I see. Benjo right now says, "Oh shit, I was just gonna ask what the hell is a babby? Bro uses his own text editor. Let's go, huge W." Yes, I did write my own text editor. And I do use it. And so when you see me type nano on the terminal, it's actually an alias because my muscle memory is unfixable. I am fucked forever in getting this wrong. So yeah, I just, you know, just the way things are gonna go, unfortunately. Okay, but I did get an email that the run failed. So why did the run fail? I bet it. I'm hoping I had a test that validated it. Let's see, what did it say here? Match not in 3.13. Yeah, had a feeling that's what it was gonna be, so that would do it. Whisper says, why not make a simple B alias for Babby though? Because people will get even more confused by doing that. And there's no way I would remember to do it. Okay, but this does seem to have worked now. Yeah, which is very cool. All right. Yeah, so I can merge that and make a release there as well. B is already alias to get branch dash capital D, as everyone knows. Imagine. All right, another release. My PI token. PI token. Copy that. Paste. And send it off to the bit holder in the cloud. All right, 2 down. The next one should be much easier though. Reorder Python imports is next. I also put these in specific order because they depend on the previous ones. Like the reorder Python imports uses the output of Flagate typing imports, so it's important that I do them in order. I have edit alias to my preferred text editor. Oh, but you could just do $editor. That's the standard way to do it. Or $visual. But who the fuck is gonna type that? Anyway, what do I have to do for this? Testing. Oh my god, there's all sorts of shit in here. I think I gotta do all of these, maybe? I don't know, let's just start running them. Generate deprecated. I don't think that changed. Unfortunately, this one I don't have, it doesn't rewrite it in place, but just put them all, just copy them all in just in case, even though I'm pretty sure this is going to be a no up here. Generate. You know what? I'm pretty sure we don't have to do all these. I'm pretty sure we can just do. I don't even think this one was gonna do it. Typing, rewrite info. I think this is the important one. No module name, Flagate typing imports. Right. Virtual VM. Pip install Flagate typing imports. Now, MyPy extensions as well. And we're also going to need typing extensions, I'm almost certain. Yeah. I get a big old blob of generated stuff. Doo-doo-doo. Typing, rewrite info. I can just delete this. And then paste. Then we can look at the diff. Fuck. Why are you the old version? I just released you. Gotta do it again then. X clips cell C. Brap. Paste. Now let's look at the diff. Here we go. Version bump there and 3.13 stuff. Cool. What? Why is this here? We're gonna get rid of that one. I don't think it did. Oh, that's not the right place. It is the right place? Yeah, that looks okay. Cool. But I'm pretty sure we actually need to make a command line argument here. Unless I have automated it somehow. It's like I may have automated it somehow. Add version options. Yeah, okay, we already automated it. Cool. Benjo's right now says it's nice to hang out. I need to go now, but I'll be back. Do you have a regular schedule? Usually it is Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Although I announce all of my streams on the Discord, and tomorrow I think I'm busy, so probably be Sunday instead of Saturday. But join the Discord, that's where that was good announced. Ormus says, I think my editor's still too flaky to be at the point I can start daily driving it. Got all the bugs with key entry and rendering to fix before then. See, the thing is, I used Babby when it was really fucking buggy and it didn't have colors. So I think you could probably get by with using your editor. Silly Laird, Anthony Thinks Code, and indeed, also welcome back. Good to see you again. Alright, git diff, we'll just regenerate the typing symbols, yeah. Regen typing symbols. I'll even find it here. Yeah, literally the last time we did this, so just same thing. Yearly maintenance. True meat sauce on the Discord. The link is broken. Really? Maybe that's why no one's been joining the Discord. Invalid invite? Fuck me. Discord, how did you fuck my invite? Well, let's fix that then. Why is my invite broken? Is it the same invite that's it's on the Twitch page? How is it broken? It's supposed to be a non-expiring invite unless GitHub fucked it up. XDKG, yes, this is the same one. Does it work when I'm logged in over here? Yeah, it works when I'm logged in. Okay, maybe it just doesn't work when you're logged out. It worked over here. So, I don't know. Buggy ass Discord. I'm not changing it. It's staying. I don't know why it didn't work though when you're logged out. That doesn't make any sense. Adding a server manually works? Huh. Really strange. Strange. Okay, anyway. We gotta wait for this one to merge to do the pie upgrade one, because pie upgrade reads from this one, which reads from this one. Yeah, we got a fun little forward port chain thing going here. All right, well, heading out now. Sounds good. Thanks for stopping by. You and Hey, you joined the Discord. Nice, nice. Oh. Doing its thing. Yeah, all successful. We will be bumping these versions later, but no. Okay, merge. Do bump minor. Again. And we gotta get our PyPI token again. Copy that. And paste. And send that off to the bit store in the clouds. Alright, who's next? Pi upgrade. And I'm pretty sure we have the same sort of regen thing here as well. And I'm pretty sure we install reorder Python imports for it. We're probably going to have to tell it to upgrade because I'm pretty sure we just released 3.15. Did we not? Oh no, we did release 3.14. Okay, so that's the brand new version. And then we do testing, generate imports, which spits out the output. So X clip, cell C. I upgrade plugins imports. Wow, we haven't updated in a while. Or there must have been another feature in between. Drugs. Paste. What does the diff look like? Yeah. Oh no, it was 3.13. Yeah. The other thing we have to do is in main, we need to add the new option here. 3.13 plus. Yeah. 3.13. Generate symbols for pi 3.13 plus. Just run the test just to make sure. We upload this one too. I think this one should be fine. I don't really expect anything special here. Why is it so slow? It feels very slow. Do it does in 3.12. Also feels very. There's something going on. I don't know what it is. Yeah, because this test suite usually completes in like less than a second on my other computer. And my other computer is like 6 years older. Still slow here too. Yeah, there's something fucky going on. Oh well, that's for another day. All right, who is after this? Pipegrade is done. Backports. I don't think there's anything that I backported from 3.13. Oh, we can ignore that. This one will be a fun one though. Import lib metadata. Do we have any references to this? We might have already gotten rid of all of them. Yeah. We do just import the metadata anywhere. It's gonna take a while because there's a lot of code to search. Pi test. Okay, ignore that. T. Can ignore that. My explains videos. Cool. Okay, so I don't have any important metadatas left. Orma says, "What's your opinion of Zig? I've been trying it this week on a Neofetch clone. I think I could learn to love it. Don't want to put the time in because there's no hireability in it. I've not read enough Zig to have valid opinions on it, but it felt like a tedious to write C. It felt like it was too low level to be enjoyable to write. Like if I wanted to write something that targeted something similar to Zig, I would just write Rest and be a lot happier writing Rest. But error handling is annoying right now because I'm just literally try everywhere, like Roost's question mark, yeah. Yeah, I also felt like Zig like didn't have enough things built for it, so you often had to like reinvent the wheel. It felt a lot like writing Go, but in Go, like there was a decent amount of like library support already. But I don't know. Another one down. Yeah, token. Grab you. And cool. All right, so I'm gonna do backports. GitHub Actions workflows. So does GitHub Actions have support for 3.13 yet? So we'll find out. What their fucking thing is called. They do have 3.13. Cool. Silly Alert says I'm gonna start working out, Andy. Nice. Yeah. Get ripped. Let's go. What sort of workouts are you gonna do? I don't really. I guess I wouldn't say that I quote unquote work out because I don't like. I mean, I guess I do lift weights sometimes, but I don't have like a regiment for lifting weights. But I go to the gym like 3 times a week, and I run like 5 times a week. So I guess that counts as working out. But I guess in my head, when I think about working out, I think like going to the gym and lifting weights, and like leg day, arm day sort of thing. And I just do what's fun rather than that. But anyway, what's your plan? Oh, for hockey, treadmill so I can get trim for ice hockey. I want to be a goalie. Oh, then eventually a 6-pack. Dude, 6-packs are so hard. The crazy thing about a 6-pack is you need such low body fat, and you kind of have to be dehydrated for it to look good. And like if you eat too much, it's just gone. Like it's something that can like disappear in an instant. But hey, it's a fun goal. I had like a semblance of a 4-pack for like all of a week in high school. And then I was like, this is too much goddamn work. And I like food too much. Stuff like that. But yeah, no, you can make it happen. And right now I got the belly. Yeah. So the thing is like, you can, I guess when you say 6-pack, it can mean kind of 2 different things. Like you can have like the bodybuilder, like ripped abs 6-pack look, or you can just kind of have some like definition there. I like to just aim for the definition. But, you know, feels nice to have a little bit of ab structure here, and like you kind of get the shape of it. But that's kind of where I'm at. But Mama Rolf says goalie, then you need to work on that leg split. Yeah, splits. Oh man. Blaze Labs, hello, can't wait till Python 4. I don't know that it'll ever come. I'm pretty sure it won't ever come. But yeah. Everybody says Anthony going for that 1-pack. I have been losing weight recently, so I'm not quite to where I want to be, but I'm down 15 pounds? 16 pounds? In the last 2 months. So yeah. You want my funny not funny self-deprecating joke about weight loss. I've had 3 consistent ways to lose weight my entire life. One of them is running, which I am doing, so that's legitimate working. And the other is depression, and that one's working too. Hey, there we go. And the third is getting my wisdom teeth out, but you only do that once, so. Yeah, depression and running. Let's go. Mummerolf says, "Whoops! Stop lurking. It's all good. It's all good. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello." Daver says, "Much easier to just get a keg. Yeah, a beer belly." Leg split is something I need to work on. I did cross country running as a kid. Oh, cool. The third one is pooping. So surprisingly, Cyberbunny, almost all weight loss, like it's like 98+% weight loss is not actually from shitting. Almost all weight loss is from breathing out. You lose almost all of your weight from carbon dioxide from respiring, which was just mind blowing to me the first time that I was told this fact, and I was like, it actually makes sense because the amount of cardio breathing is burning fat, and the result of burning fat is carbon dioxide. And that most of your solid waste is not calories that you ever took in the first place. It's just excess undigestible food. But yeah, you don't lose weight from shit, and you lose weight from you can fluctuate your weight from shitting, but it's almost entirely respiration. Frozen Swine Cloud says tonsils can work too. True. I could also get infected teeth or something, or just fuck up my mouth somehow, and that would work. But no, and that's not really a consistent weight loss method. It's literally just a temporary, ephemeral one. But anyway, good to have options. Yeah. I've never had a proper weight loss thing going on. I just eat too much. That's the thing for me in running is I probably still eat about the same. Well, yes and no. I probably eat about the same, but running enables me to not gain weight from those calories. Also, I feel like when I run, I want to eat less. It just something about running makes me eat less. It works really well, but anyway. Cool. All right, let's do the actions one. Git clone. I think it's acetily/workflows. Workflows. Silliard says, I think sports outweighs eating for me. Nice. You could change the ratio of food to be less digestible. That is true. That is possible, yeah. Get log-g 3.12. Let's see what happened here. This is one commits. What did we do? Just changed this file. Yeah, we also changed that one. Okay, get the workflows talks, I guess. Read me. Yeah. So this becomes 14. 14. And we gotta add 12 in here. And then 3 that 13. I think that's how this works. Bunch of funky conditionals, right? Elfron, hello, how you doing? I find the days I run, I eat more because I'm hungry from the extra exercise. Yeah. Or like drinking or eating unhealthy. Yeah. Damn, and now I'm depressed. Okay. Yeah, I think this is right. We could probably also remove 3.8 at the same time. because I would do that eventually anyway. Let's just remove 3.8. Why not? IPy 3.9. So this is out of date to. What is your latest PyPy? I think it's 3.11 now. Page is slightly too narrow. 3.10. Okay. I think that will work. See, we'll find out. That's what the tests are for, right? Workflows main. This is our one of our self-tests, I guess. 3.14. My computer just made a weird clicky noise. A little spooky. What is the self-test.yml? Oh, this is fast checkout. Right. 3.13 release. Update workflows for Python 3.13 release. Yeah. Multiple changes at the same time? I know. I'm not following my own advice here. But fuck it. These are all fairly low risk and all tested, so it should be fine. Pot of Green says, are you sure it's not the new mouse? No, this mouse has been fine. I think you're referring to the thing I posted on Discord, which is fucking insane. I bought a mouse for my work laptop, which only has USB-C ports, and so I was like, oh, great, I need to find a USB-C mouse. Gross. I didn't want it to be wireless, because wireless is just a pain in the ass, and I have to charge it back. I got the cheapest wired mouse I could find on Amazon, and it had great reviews, like 4.9 stars or something like that. It was like $7. And for the last like 4 weeks, I've had this mouse, and I didn't put 2 and 2 together until I finally was at wit's end. But for the last couple of weeks, I've been hearing this like high-pitched noise, like a coil whine sort of noise. F Galego, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I've been hearing a coil whine noise, and initially I thought it was Google Hangouts, because the first time I noticed it, I was on a call with a coworker, and I'm like, your microphone is fucked. Something about when you talk makes this high-pitched noise happen. And yeah, I thought it was, and it's the mouse is from it's from Lenovo, like it's a fucking well-known company. Dr. Wes Anderson, thank you also for the follow. Welcome. It's from Lenovo, like it's a company that you fucking know. But I was like, there's this high-pitched noise, and I don't know what it's coming from. And so finally I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna stop work, like, because it was driving me up a wall. I'm gonna stop work, and I'm gonna snoop around my house and figure out like hotter, colder, and where this sound is coming from. And so I'm sitting at my desk, and I just, casually have my hand on the mouse, and I'm like, move my head this way, and then the sound stops, and I'm fuck. Move my head back this way, and the sound starts and then stops, and I'm like, why does moving my head make the sound turn on and off? Like, is it in my mind? Am I somehow the coil whine? And I was fucking losing my mind. And then I took my hand off the mouse, and I did the same thing again, and the sound didn't happen. And I moved back, and the sound didn't happen. And I was like, okay, what was different? What was different between those two things there? And I'm like, oh, it's the fucking mouse. And I pick up the mouse, and the light on the bottom is off. It's not this mouse, it's a different mouse. The light on the bottom is off, and I go, shoop. The light turns on, and the coil whine starts. And then the light turns off, and the coil whine stops. And it was fucking vindicating to find that it was the goddamn mouse. But I was like, how do you have coil whine in a mouse? Like, the LED, I think, was what's making the noise. How do you... And then I looked through the 1-star reviews on Amazon, and there were several people that were like, cheap sturdy mouse, it works, but it has a coil whine. 1 star. Someone rated it 3 stars with the coil whine. I'm like, how can you live with yourself if you're okay with a mouse that makes a high-pitched noise constantly? Oh. But anyway, I promptly threw away that mouse. And I bought 2 of them too, because I was like, USB-C mouse. I'm clearly going to need one once in a while for like travel or whatever. I'm just going to have one and throw it in my suitcase. No, they're both in the fucking garbage. I'm not even going to return them too, because it's like $7 a time. But, driving me nuts. Okay, so we wanted to look at 314 to make sure that this still works with the nightly. It looks like we are getting our alpha 0 nightly there. 313 should have 313 final. And if we look at that here, we have 313 final. Great. And we updated pi3, so let's make sure that you are 310, but pi. Great. Perfect. Yeah, mouse is driving me nuts. I hope that's what you're referencing, Pot agreed. Explains fast checkout. Okay, so I have a version of checkout, of actions checkout, that's written in Python instead of JavaScript, because on Windows, spinning up the JavaScript interpreter takes like several seconds, and for some reason is way slower. I don't even know why, so that's why I rewrote it. 4x9 star, that means enough 1-star reviews to bump down the botted 5 stars. It's a fucking Lenovo mouse. I trusted them. It's a trusted brand. And I got fucked. But anyway, I'm hoping the next one doesn't have that same problem, but we'll see. I also literally only bought the mouse. I literally only bought the mouse because I find that with a mouse, no, I'm not logged into chess.com here. I find that with a mouse, I'm better at chess puzzles. Because with a mouse, I can like draw arrows to, I can very quickly draw like what squares are attacked and stuff, and I can be like, oh, if I go here, it's bad news bears. And so I'm basically better at playing puzzles with a mouse. Oh, and I gotta play this one because I started it, didn't I? Shit. This forces you there. And then that will force you... I guess I can ladder from there. Oh, that was not what I expected. I think I want this. There's 2 choices though. Do this. It's still gonna force there. And then that gonna force here. I don't think it does matter though. So what's the catch here? You have to attack me. If I do this instead, you still have this all blocked. So you're still going here. Oh, but then I can mate this way. So anyway, there we go. I can't really draw the arrows with a fucking scratch pad because half the time I click and drag and then move the piece and I'm like, ah, fuck. I ruined my puzzle there. Anyway. Yeah, puzzles. Gonna head to bed. Thank you for stopping by, Armis. Good to see you. Kramer SV, welcome. It's okay when your hearing is effed up. I mean, I guess the mouse is probably fine if you can't hear those high-pitched noises, but I definitely can. At least you're not like Razer technology where the mouse turns off from the PC booting on. You say that. My current primary monitor has this problem where half the time I boot up my computer, it just doesn't turn on. And so I have to like reach around and give it a little button touch to turn it off and on. And then it works, but story was wild. Yeah, it's funny. Drove me up a goddamn wall. I was losing my mind. Lemerolf has a theory, which I believe, about weight loss. If the body receives all the nutrients and minerals it believes there's unlimited food, this reduces the body's need to conserve energy. If you eat nutritious food with little energy, the body will take the energy from the body's fat stores. I mean, if you have... like, the whole thing about food is it's less about the nutritious values, like the nutrient parts, and it's literally just calorie math. Like if you burn more calories than you consume, you're going to lose weight. There's no like quality of calories. They're just calories, period. Now that's true to an extent. There is a whole and I almost went into this field, so I have a some advanced knowledge here. There is an entire science around gut fauna and how your bacterial content of your stomach changes based on the quality of food that you eat. And the quality of your gut bacteria changes your nutritional intake and your metabolic efficiency. And so there is some truth to what you're saying, but it doesn't like it's more about like the gut fauna there than, you know, your quality of calories. And even then, the gut fauna doesn't make that significant of a difference based on just like, you know, consuming 100 fewer or more calories. That said, it's really hard to just eat ice cream because you don't feel fulfilled by just eating ice cream. Even if you were able to do the calorie math to end up with, you know, you take vitamin pills for everything else and just eat ice cream, your body is not going to be fulfilled because you're not eating as much mass and you don't feel full. But anyway, other than that, it's literally just subtraction. You know, 3,600 calories is a pound, and whatever your delta from burning and consuming equates to your weight loss or gain. Like you could literally eat sticks of butter and still effectively live, but it'd be gross. I too need a better mouse to do writing with it a lot better. See, this is the cheapest mouse possible, and this is like literally all I've ever used, and I'm completely fine with it. But Benny says, I bought the Razer Death Adder Essential earlier this year, working fine so far. I don't know anything about that, but cool. DL says Anthony loves giving the reach around and button touches. Hey, it's true. It's true. Lil Q Gonka says, what's really interesting of the new Python version? I'm glad you asked because I haven't gotten to shill my video yet. Oh, fucking A. It's 3:13. Yeah, there we go. I haven't got to shill my video yet this stream. So you should check out my YouTube video where I talk about the things that are new in Python 3.13. And don't worry, I don't do that bullshit where, oh, it's a top 10, stick around for number 1. No, the good shit's right at the beginning. So if you want to watch the first 10 minutes of the video and click off, I don't care. Go for it. But I think there's cool stuff all the way to the end. Otherwise, I wouldn't have recorded it. Yeah. Pottergreed says calories is all that really matters if all you want is to lose weight, but there are healthy and unhealthy ways of doing it. Oh, for sure. Yeah. And a lot of these, like, you know, cleanse diets or paleo, blah, blah, blah. A lot of those are pretty bad for your body if you follow them to a T. Yeah, they can make you lose weight real quick, but it's unhealthy. It's risky. It's you know, it's a spooky way to shed weight. So generally, I'm not a nutritionist. You should see a nutritionist if you're planning on doing like a long-term, you know, lifestyle change, unless you aren't really changing all that much. Like, I'm not really getting back into what my lifestyle was when I was healthier. But anyway, all that to say, like, bad diets are you can end up in a lot of pain and life problems if you're not properly nutritionizing. And generally, you want to approach dieting as a gradual lifestyle change rather than something sudden, because you're also more likely to stick with it too. Also, always good to do a health check. Yeah, you should, you know, be seeing a doctor however often the doctor says you should see them, which is usually like 6 months. My doctor keeps saying like, hey man, you're healthy. I don't, you know, you don't have to come back for a year. And I'm like, okay, fine. I actually went to schedule a doctor's appointment and they're like, we don't need to see you. You could just skip it. Okay. All right. I guess I'll do that. But yeah. Mumroff says, if you eat little nutrition, you get craving, you'll eat more. Yeah, that's pretty true. Eric's also here. Says, I thought those gamer mouses with holes in them and looked cool, but all they have is this dust gets inside of it. Oh god, I can just imagine how, like, this is a flat mouse, and I'm not gonna show you, but it's, you know, you get those like weird skin gunk on them, and I can't imagine what those like porous mouses, they just, oh, it just could be so gross. Oh, but yeah, that's why I'm cheap mouse anyway. Yeah, my keyboards and mice are gross. Nutkilly says, hello Slon. I don't know what Slon is, but welcome to the stream. How you doing? The Rebel updates were my favorite. Number 6 will shock you, says Krampus iPad. Look, doing my clickbait for me. It also says, I found my G502 wireless light speed. I don't know what that is, but cool. Mr. John says, night time for me. Have a good stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. And I'll see you around. Okay, anyway, this seems to have worked, so let's merge this. Yeah. Then we gotta do a release. I don't remember how that released. That hot. Get check up main, get pull. If only. And then get tag dash L. Show. I think it's just changing in the readme. Not just changing it. Yeah, okay. So this needs to change to 170. 61 to 170. Yes. Cool. 1.7.0. Tag that and push. The Meisterin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right, what's next on our checklist? Actions. Update the pre-commit CI Python. So we're getting right to the end. There is actually something else that we need to do because of the free-threaded build. See if we can actually do that in a bit. But let's do this now. Clone pre-commit CI / runner image. We need to add Python 3.13 here, and I think we remove. Did we remove the one here? How did this work? See, we just added it there, but I wonder what happened with, because we had 3.6 and 3.7 here. When did those get removed? Well, we can find the answer. Get log dash capital G 3.6 in Dockerfile with backslash here. Upgrade to Jammy, drop this. What about 3.7? When did that get removed? Add 3.12 and remove 3.7. Okay, so we did it at the same time. So I won't feel bad about doing that here as well. Cool. Okay. Let's do it then. Yeah. Dockerfile. We'll remove 3.8 and add Python 3.13. And distutils is gone. And that seems right. Then info has 3.8 in it somewhere. This 0.9. We're not changing the default version yet. This goes away. And the default one stays here. Add 3.13 here. 8. Comes 9, I guess. Nothing important there. Why don't you use Tmux? Why don't you not tell me what to do? Because Tmux is a fucking pain in the ass to use and doesn't provide any benefit over my current workflow, and adds a whole bunch of annoyances and complexity, and doesn't make things better. It makes things worse. It makes them different and worse. Backseat terminal, yeah, it's true easily. Right. And you. And the last thing to check is the T. So the big blocker for most of my C extension libraries is CFFI. So does CFFI have a T yet? It looks like no. CFFI, Python, GitHub. I know they were working on it. I don't know if they did it or not. I also feel like the free threaded build is a big pain in the ass. Okay, so all of my CFI stuff will not work. How do you manage your tasks, to-dos, notes, etc.? There's so many productivity influencers nowadays. Well, not that one. Literally just a to-do file that I never look at. And I use the Notes app with checkboxes on my phone for to-dos. Okay. I have a list called T, I have a list called G, and I have a list called talks I would be okay giving. And that's how I maintain things. It's literally just Google Notes. Nothing special. Yeah, I know it's the Google one, not the Samsung one, because the Samsung one just sells your data. I mean, the Google one does in some ways, but less so, I think. What was I gonna do? I don't even know if I have a good way of finding all of my. Actually, I do. I do have a way of finding this. What do I do? Next modules. Memory exhausted. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. This is not CFFI. I don't know if there's a way to make a T from it. Do this, but this has to get built. Oh, I know how to update this. I think this. I think there's a new release here. My whiskey wheels. Get tag 2027. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is one that I. Memory Exhausted says, hello, doing well, thanks, nice. Nice thing about the Google one is that it's also available on the web. I use it for packing lists for trips. Oh, cool. I didn't even know that. The other thing that's nice about the Google one is you can share the lists if you have someone share it with. How do I do this? I think I can get our 0 get rm-r patches, and then get submodule updated it. Keep.google.com pops it open. Oh, cool. Nice. Tag-L 2027. There's one. Git checkout 2.0.27. Git add the whiskey. And now I forget how this works, but I'm pretty sure. Version. Model name setup tools. Right. Come by default. Wait. And package version. P1 error, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 2.0.27.post1. I don't think that's right. This should be serial equals 0. Gotta change this to have remove this one. Yeah. Build version 2.0.27. I thought I made a branch for this. Why does it say main? How did I do that? Did I do it inside the submodal? I bet I did it inside the submodal. Oh, I just forgot -b. Duh. Anyway, you're streaking, Defcan game. It's true. It's true. 5 stream streak. Nice. 24.10 released with throwbacks to 2004. Oh. Someone else says, any change for how you work when handling the PyPI loophole issue? What do you mean? Explain in more details which thing you are referring to, because there's all sorts of PyPI loophole something or others. That's one security issue. Thousands of PyPI packages are at risk of an attack technique called revival hijack. Is that where people can just, you know, create a new package of an old package name? You can push links in chat, by the way. Programming stream. That's the way things roll. So this should have my patch. Bop. I'm pretty sure this is just the like deleted packages can be reclaimed. Why don't you just describe what the fucking technique is? Cause you have to write a 20-page article that can just say what the fucking answer is. Take advantage of PyPI feature where a package is deleted or removed, its name becomes immediately available. Yeah, this is a big fucking nothing burger article. There's always been a problem in PyPI. But yeah, this doesn't affect people unless you delete shit, and who cares? But yeah. So the answer is don't delete stuff. It's always been the answer. There is a feature for not deleting stuff too. You can just use yank. That's what it's designed for. Pending 4 in progress, which is annoying because this is the slowest one. It should have started first. Why is it pending? No change for me? Yeah, I just don't delete stuff. Like I have fucking random ass shit on PyPI that I just never use. Yeah, if you go back to like my oldest projects, like I made a hack to make virtualenv work with Python-m in 2015. I've never updated it since then. Wow. Yeah, I'm in a beta. There's a secret. Pretend like you don't see it. It's pretty buggy right now. Like auto merge doesn't work half the time. I even have a fucking empty package here. But yeah, just don't delete stuff. So what was the result of me searching X models? Did I just decide I wasn't gonna do it? I think it was I could update libsass. I don't think anyone cares. These ones I could probably do. But it's really up to the module itself to declare whether it's three-threaded compatible or not. I see the whole checks. What do you mean? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Easy Light. That's the right answer. I'm gonna let this thing do its thing. Although actually the macOS one might be done by now. So we can see if it built the 3.13 one properly. Build wheels. 3.9. Okay, so it did successfully build it. Cool. Oh, and it doesn't bother building 3.8. Why do we have an exclusion for it then if it doesn't build it? Donks? Fuck, I don't know. Yeah, but I think we'll just say that's enough of the 3.13 stuff. Oh, did I not merge? Auto merged. Would have already been doing the next part. This one we need to let it do its thing though, so I'm gonna let this. Oh, I think I forgot to release the 4.0. This go. Brr. Yeah, we can say this is done. Cool. Shall we remove 3.8 now too? I realize we're an hour and a half in the stream. Shall we remove 3.8 as well? I don't even know how we're gonna do this though. I feel like I did this manually last time. So let's see what we got here. Let's clone everything first. There's something fucky with all repos. Somebody changed the behavior so that I can't query it while it's cloning, which I find really annoying. Well, I might revert that. My tool, do what I want. But oh, you know what we can do? We can all repos grep python requires in setup.cfg. That should get all of my things, right? So then we can find all the ones that are 3.8. Equal 3.8 with skate. Oh, we want python. Setup.cfg. What the fuck you mean? Oh, because there's a... Yeah, so these are all the ones that I would update. And I guess we can make it happen. Let's find one of them and see what work would need to get done with that. Let's do tokenize RT. Oh, let's do AST pretty. That's usually my little demo repo. Last I checked, Ubuntu is shipping with Python 3.8. Do you think that will change soon? My version of Ubuntu ships with 3.12. No, LTS versions don't change their release Python. So, Bionic, I think. No, Focal. Bionic is already end of life. Focal end of life's next April. So, for all of a couple of months, it will be using an end of life Python. Which, like, you care about that? Well, that's for you, I guess. So how did I do this before? I know I did this on stream. Why is we'll say Pi 3.8? Well, we'll fix that and change it to Pi 3 when we're done. But I guess I can look. Yeah, because we did this via all repos. What did I do here? There's no way I did this automatically. Yeah, I feel like I must have done this manually somehow. Log-g Python requires. See, this one I didn't do via all repos. Maybe this is not the right one to look at. Let's go config v. Yeah, so we did this one via all repos. How did we do it via all repos? Yeah, I definitely did this manually. So I must have used... Actually, we can look at the branch. Look at the branch. It should be called all repos manual if I did it manually. So when you slash config v, pull your all commit this. Medice Jr., thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What is the branch name? Pull request. Maybe I gave it. Does all repos manual have a way to... Did I do it all with set? This branch name. I might have used branch name. You know what? I definitely did this on stream, so we can just fucking look, right? July 1st of 2023. It's gonna be... Is that on the VODs channel? Did I do the VODs channel a year ago? Let's see. 2023 7/1. Dropping Python 3.7 support. Okay, here we go. Hi chat! Welcome to another stream! We had a Pokemon going then. Okay, this is literally where I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. The same as what I'm doing right now. Okay. Did I... No, this is me manually editing one of them. What is the working directory? Oh, I've been forced into Vim mode here. That's good. This is a specific repo though. Me doing repo specific stuff. Me watching a YouTube short? Okay, here we go. I saw all repos. Click right up. On the tabs. Come on, show it again. This is a manual change. Okay, so this is not that one. Oh, there we go. Oh, here. Okay, how did I do this? All repos manual. Okay, good to know. All right. We did it as watch as Anthony in July 1 opens another stream to figure out. I would not be surprised if I've just recursively done this forever. Okay, so it looks like we could just all repos manual this. So we can start with you. All repos manual. Commit message 539 plus branch. You know, we'll leave out branch name just so it's more obvious to me next time, because I will see all repos manual as the branch name, and then I won't have to dig through a YouTube video. San says, sometimes I miss your streams, and when I try to check past videos, I can't. Yes, that's because the VODs don't go up on Twitch due to DMCA shenanigans. They go up on the YouTubes. So you should subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's where they get uploaded. And sometimes I forget to upload them. Like, I am due to upload one video because I have forgotten one video, but it's in my to-do list, so I won't forget it. It'll happen eventually. I just haven't done it yet. Yeah. Repos, repos. Dash repos here. Yeah, and then I think we'll go through all of these and do it that way. Oh, that means we have to touch this one. I'm pretty sure this build is broken. Yep, dash v loops so I don't have to deal with that one. Yeah. Should I just grit fish to Yelp too? Nah, we can fix that one, right? Sure. Alright. Off to the races. So I'm pretty sure the way I did this before is I did a git grep -l 38 pi 38, maybe el 38 or 3,8 or 3,9 or 3,8. That'll probably get us most of what we want here, I hope. But we want to kind of get it down to one command. I think this will do it. Maybe. Let's try and see what happens. All right, 3.8. We want to remove you, and we'll add one more. 3.12. Old workflow that I have not updated. Talks less than 4. Oh, that's not a problem. So 3.8 plus can become 3.9 plus. I can probably do that with sed. Probably run this command. So we're gonna slowly improve this over time. We're gonna get a sed command out of there. These are really old versions. I feel like auto update has not run on these. Oh, Flakegate's up to date. Okay, these are up to date. Okay. Why did this file? A bug in 3.8 and 3.9. Okay, so we can't change that one then, I guess. Python requires. Okay, so we do this as well. Oh, we can also do that as well. Sed dash I. Greater than equal to 3.8 to greater than equal to 3.9 in setup.cfg. Should do it. That should do it. That should do it. Yeah. So that actually made no difference besides these things. So you can just Control D and move on to the next one. Looks good. Yes. Edit this. Okay, so let's try it with the sed command this time. So do these two seds first. That and this and edit all those things. Nothing to edit. Okay, that's good, I guess. Yeah, that looks good. I should be able to do this. Cool. Okay, we got our procedure down. Now we should be mostly in the zone, hopefully. Oh, this one we don't have a good way to automate this. So this one we're gonna have to do a bunch. 1.7 was the version we just released. Yeah, so we might as well bump that at the same time. We got things to fix here. All repos, GitHub, API, dict, and list. Oh, nice. We were able to build those. This converges. Cool. We should be able to be done with that one. That's good. Yeah, lots of cool auto fixing. This is a very interesting type var. I feel like I did not feel like this type var is useless. I think I didn't know what I was doing here. So we're just gonna ignore it. Yeah. Looks good, yes. On to the next one. Nice, nice. Do. I had a feeling this was gonna happen here. I313, 1.7. Yeah, I don't know how to make a... We could probably write a little program that fixes this up, but... Oh, we got things to look at here. 3.9. If version expected 3.8. Okay, so we can get rid of you and you. Okay, do we got any more like that? No, we don't. Okay, cool. Else expected 3.8. Why is this called expected 3.8? We're gonna call it expected 3.11. That way it more matches the names above and doesn't have 3.8. Format Pi3.8 type comments. Because they were added in by the 3.8. There used to be 3 branches there. Okay, makes sense now. Yes, and this can become Pi3. Rerun all files again. Cool. Ah, the system works. It's very nice. Another one. But no files to edit there. No diff. Easy. Easy. God, I love this tool that I made because it makes doing these so easy to do. This one we just bumped to 9. Might as well get this to 7. This is a test data file for installing Puppet stuff. Net or that. Cool. Config V. I312. 7. Version there. Easy one. Bump 2 of them here. Because we got Windows testing in this one. For some reason. 312. Bump you as well. And we'll rerun all files just to make sure. It's good. On to the next one. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. Okay. I almost feel like I should write a little script to do this change in this file, but yeah. Okay, what do we have here? I probably showed an example of it. Yeah, we showed an example here. So I'll just leave that one around. That's probably fine. This is probably just tests. It's also just more tests. I think we actually have any code diffs there. Good. Cool. What tool are you talking about? All repos? Yeah, all repos. All repos very good. I'm tooting my own horn a little bit, but this tool has saved me so much time over the years. And I'm very happy with it. It works very, very well. Test unused positional only argument. For less than 3.8. So this is already dead code. So we can just do that. Because positional arguments, positional only was added in 3.8. Yeah, I think that's true. Oops. Part now. Nice. Typing set. What is union for? If it's 3.9 plus, can't we just do this? Wouldn't it do it? I can see for someone with all these repos that it's a godsend. Yeah, when you have to update like fucking 80 things, it is very, very helpful. Oh, that reminds me, I should upgrade Precommit CI to a newer Python version. I think it's still running in Python 3.10, and Lambda has 3.12 support now. Finally. It took them fucking forever, but they finally have it. I feel like I edited the last one wrong, but maybe I didn't. I feel like I added 3.9 twice in that one. What was the one right before this one? We'll double check it in a sec. It was dead. Let's look at the pull request it created. 3.9 has a failure. Well, that's not what I was expecting to see. Unsupported types for pipe, type, and type. Okay. I guess that's why. It is not converted from union. I should have trusted PyUpgrade and not tried to be cheeky. Get launch-r. Yeah, because I think type only got added after that. Oh, which I guess is why it passes in 3.10. Union types was 3.10? All right, it was built-in types in 3.9. Yeah. I should have fucking trusted the tooling. But I didn't for some reason. Yeah, I can't spell amend. Should have trusted the tooling. Oh well. Live and you learn. Oh boy, we've got a lot going on here. These 8, 2. Not that one. Wait, why did that not work? Oh, I typed 3.8 to 3.8. Useful? That one. Well, seems good. Another one. I found myself using force with least now with more force pushes, though when you amend it's not applicable. Super helpful for rebases. Ah, cool. Wouldn't it be? It would be for amend, wouldn't it? Because it's still the same baseline, right? Question mark? I don't fucking know. I never remember exactly what force with least does. That's not me. Yeah, so this is a little tedious, but a little therapeutic, isn't it? Ooh, we get a always true. So we can replace out get subscript slice with node.slice. And then we can actually just inline this too, right? So dot slice. Dot slice. That should be dead code. This is unused. Sweet. Why was the only thing that it... Oh, I guess it's only one file. Cool. Very cool. First release, make sure all commits you have locally are still in the remote branch. When you amend, it's no longer applicable. I thought force with release had to do with it knowing that the current head is the same as what the head is that you're pushing to. Basically that the remote head of the branch that you're pushing over did not change from what Git expects it to be. I thought that was how it worked. But what the fuck do I know? I don't use it. This is purely theoretical. You run all files. I should probably just change my command to run it twice rather than doing it like that. Then it'll tell me the errors the second time around. So I don't think any of these are going to take twice to resolve, but we'll do it anyway. You know what? I should just change. I should just set this to that as well, so that we get this updated properly. So we'll do send-i this dot star to, oh, we can't use slash characters, we gotta use something else. 1.7.0 -g in GitHub workflows /star. We'll make the regex slightly less safe just to make it fit on the screen. We'll add that next time. That should hopefully save us one edit that we have to do here. Cool. We ran it twice. Okay, so let's add this new sed command in here. What if there's no workflows? I'll just put it at the beginning with a semicolon. Yeah, that way if it errors, we'll just ignore the error output. Ta-da. Changing bases is fine to do with forceless lease. It's just making sure no new commits have been added since your last push of the branch. Okay, so basically what I said. Cool, nice. Oh, Hillary says, seemed like lots of package authors were happy with 3.8 end of life. What do you mean? I feel like 3.8 didn't change that much. Like I feel like I'm not cleaning up that much code by doing this. My sed did not work because we still had to edit that. So we'll have to look at why it didn't work. Because it should have edited that. Unterminated S command. Oh, this should have been a pipe. Oops. Oh, we'll get it the next one. Yeah, I'm mostly doing this just because I usually like to keep up with the end of life, just because it tends to make my life slightly easier at some point. Yeah, it's a little bit of work to do once a year, but kind of nice to do. Feels nice to do. Okay, cool. That said work this time. Good, good, good. Very good. Love to see it. Nope, that's not how this works. 5.3.11. Ooh, we got something here. What changes here? Oh, these will become not that though. CP39 for the minimum build version. I think that seems right. Although I don't think I'm actually gonna run this script, so I will run this for V13T at some point, but now, I don't think I need a note. The recall I saw pipe syntax for combining digs. I feel like that's not that useful. It's so slow. It's slower than just doing with splat. Type ins with standard collections. I've already been using that though. I've already been using the nice built-in type stuff because iframe feature import annotations on everything. So none of that's super new to me. Most of what I'm cleaning up here is like weird bugs in the tokenizer. Doesn't really make that much difference at the end of the day. Super easy. You know, I probably could write a set expression for the workflow thing. Nah. It's gonna be faster for me to do this manually. Do. Easy. Set again. Ooh, we got something in here. We got a hit, chat. Oh, this is gonna be not that useful. Yeah, because we have all these. I don't think we have any or here either. Yeah, because it's my grep is matching on this, which is not that useful. Or in here, also not that useful. This one we might though. Why did we import sys? Oh. Oh, for path hackery. Right. Well then. I actually think Python 3.9 was the first YouTube video that I covered a Python release in. Coincidentally. Hill PRs. Square Banana, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I need to fill up my water. My mouth's getting dry too, so I'm going to do that real quick. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. And we're back. Well, usually I go here first. And we're back. Oh, I got a funny hair sticking up. Doing hair? Doesn't make any sense. Get down for there. No edits in this one. Okay. Must not have any CI setup. Makes sense. I don't think I ever finished that package. It was always sort of a work in progress. Oh, I got stuff to edit here. I think this is just due to the explanations here rather than anything else. Yeah, so I don't think I actually need to update anything there. Might need to do something here. MinPy version. Ah, fuck, I was supposed to update this. Shit. Oh. Why didn't I do that when I did this? Annoying. Came back too quickly, couldn't finish your 3.13 video. I'm gonna take a 40-minute break? I don't think that's happening. Yeah. Oh, I wonder how long this warning has been here. I don't know. We'll look at it later. Yeah, we don't use version info here, so we can ignore it too. Ooh, we got a fix to do. Capital tuple. The old said blob again. Moving through these. Test Windows. Windows reason. Ooh, no code changes. What is this repo? Setup tools download. Okay, that makes not much code in this. And probably all the types are just built in. Hit command again. We test Windows here as well. We got PyPy3 at the beginning there. I feel like I haven't seen any PyPys in a while. I don't know why they're disabled in the other repos. Be a reason. Or maybe it didn't have specific differences to test. Probably the more likely one. Ooh. We're in the S's, so we're probably getting close to the end. Another one where we others. I'm realizing this regex is potentially problematic if I happen to have a package that's also version 3.8. And surely I don't have any of those, right? Oh shit. I need to do test data. I skipped that one. I did Control D instead of Control R. Whoops. My bad. But we can manually kick off that all repos manual on that repo manually later. Manually. Tokenize RT. Nice. Big old set blob. This is a CFI package too. So one day CFI will have free threaded, and then I will have to go through and update all these as well. But today is not that day. Force with lease also works with an amendment. Yeah, I figured. It works the way that I expect it does. There's also a different force with lease that I use with Pigment CI, but I don't remember what it is. I don't remember what it's called. That manual fixes here. List. Oh, it's force with lease, but with the explicit commit ID. This is, forget what the I think this is to handle branch deletions. Oh, what the fuck? It took so long here. What happened? Oh, it took a while to make the. Oh, it took a while to clone. Yeah, this repo's giant. Fuck. Why did it wiggle after the fact? It's different setup here. Oh, one of these makes my editor unhappy. Oh, and these are old versions of hooks, it looks like. Oh no, it uses requests. Cool. I think it's when you rebase them in where things might get wonky. I forget, there was some condition I had to look at one point, decided to just give up trying. You say your talks.ini is wrong there? This mflip literally doesn't matter at all. It's only meaningful if you actually run it with that. I cut the wrong data, right? This is what I wanted. Just this. Sudo something. My problem. I don't know if I should be changing Chris's libraries. I'll let him decide to merge them or not. But if I'm here, might as well do it. Pigment CI config. Oh. I'm surprised we haven't done any pre-commit. Oh, there it is. There it is. I was gonna say, I was surprised we haven't done any pre-commit repos yet. And immediately got to one. Lunkanku, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. On this Thursday / Friday / wherever and whatever time it is for you. Well, changelog something or another. Doing well, bro. Nice. Good to hear. Great to hear, even. A lot of collector's ABC sequence on this one because it's command line tools. Which honestly, that's mostly what I write. So, big ol' said blob. Well, this one already has 3.13. Why? Why though? Look, we'll try and 3.14 nightly alpha for whatever reason. There's literally no reason to test both architectures though. This is a pure lib package. You don't need that. These are indented. It shines when I PK. Oh, I get it. Like fucking, what are those? Lucas and what's that? What is that damn Nintendo property that I only know from Super Smash Bros? Uh, what are they called? I don't even know. Does this one have? When I player kill your ass in an online game? Oh, I thought I was thinking of fucking PK Fire. What is that? Where I look like a fucking idiot. Uh, Ness's neutral special move in Super Smash Bros. See, it is a thing. I didn't make this up. I don't think this line does anything. I don't know why it's there. We're removing it. I think this is all just test data here, so we can ignore it. Max wrote this, so I know less of how it works, which is fine. It must not have my sequence trick, because otherwise it would have rewritten an import there. That shrugs. 8, 9. Oh, we just test the minimum version, which makes sense here. There's no code. I'll track dash dash help. Oh, we're done. We got to do the one we missed though. Repos. This one. It's the one we missed. Don't have to set and scroll back. Look at that. Oh fuck, we gotta replace all these ones too. Because this is like a weird pseudo monorepo. It's interesting because I don't think I will ever re-release these packages, but I'm gonna rerun this. Very cool. So that's most of this. There's also I guess we should merge this first. Find the ones that failed, because I'm given my inbox, several of them have failed. Okay, let's get all the passing ones first, and then we'll look at the failing. Get our our enjoyment out of the way. My god, there's so many of these. Doesn't feel like we made that many so far. I'm gonna scroll out so I can click the buttons. I don't like that the new merge thing moves. Look. Oh, I clicked not on the pull request for some of these. Sorry. Pull them all. Oh, that's annoying. I gotta click here and not here. I mean, it makes sense why it is that way, but it's just a thing. So I probably skipped one. Refresh. Skipped another. I'm getting sloppy. Merge, 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 merge. This is not done. Why did it show up green if it was not done? Oh, you know what? It is done, but I need to update the branch protection. What's that bit? Merge, 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 merge. Yeah, clicking this green button feels good. Oh, we need to come back to you later. Let me come back to you later. Why do we just have one random one here? The one we were looking at the old PR. Yeah. YouTube. This. These we gotta look at later. Over to there. Over to here. I don't have two of these tabs open. Confusing the hell out of myself here. Alright, I can close all the merged. Why was that one different? I don't know, I don't care enough. There's the reason you don't build in the PR merge into all repos. There is a strategy to just merge them directly. If you so please, that is a thing that you can do with all repos. I just enjoy clicking the button. And I also like to check that they pass first, because the strategy that I'm talking about doesn't make a pull request, it just merges them directly. And writing a thing which pulls a bunch of PRs for success doesn't sound fun. And just I'm happy with what I got, and so I'm gonna stick with what I got. One of those was different also, and I don't know. Okay, let's look at the broken ones. So what fuck happened here? No module name setup tools. Okay, that makes sense. Because setup tools is not installed in virtualenv by default in 3.12 plus. Gravenborg, hello, how you doing? Hey chat, today we're updating all of our projects to work on Python 2.9. Yeah. Hey, ain't that the shit, right? How does this work? Just add setup tools here. Fix that one. Okay, we'll let you rerun. And this one, oh wait, let's figure out why this one broke. Probably the same thing. Same thing. Back to the same thing. No module name setup tools. Yes, you are the same. So let's get that one too. Pipe branch main. So it does clone the rest of the repo. Is it branch redacted? Really? I guess so. Oh, and it still cloned everything else. Fuck. I thought I had Chris change it, but I guess not. Well. Did this fail? One of them failed on main? Doubt? 31 minutes ago. Okay, no, we already. Never mind. Yeah, so this dash dash branch didn't do what I expected here. I thought it would just fetch this branch, but it still cloned the rest of the damn repo, so it was sort of useless. How do you work? Environments.dev as well. So we can put setup tools in. Well. That should fix that one. This one is still failing. Why are you still failing? Same error. Does this create a virtual env? This is a fucking terrifying way to do this. What the fuck? Why? Why does pip not... No model name package.templates. Oh, this is actually different. This is a different error. This is actually the integration is broken. Ugh. I swear this said module not found setup tools before. Am I tripping? Did I just misread this commit? Let's actually zoom this back in. This one definitely said setup tools, right? Yeah, okay. We did fix that error and then we changed it to this new error. No module name package.templates. So how did this work before? Huh. I wonder if setup tools broke the setup tools integration. How does it even work? I don't even fucking remember. Setup tools support. Yeah, so it's supposed to it's supposed to update the packages entry. But it doesn't look like it does. But why does it only fail? Well, maybe it fails in 3.11 too. So setup tools must have broke this. That's annoying. Well, if I can pass there, what the hell? And it passed there too. I'm losing my mind. What the fuck is different here? I don't know. Very strange. But it is using, well, it's the same fucking code. It's so weird. Do like Sentry retry it till it works? No. Yeah, so it should have included this in the build. Oh, you know what? I bet if we do this. Oh, we already did that. Then we run this alone, it should reproduce now. I bet it was only succeeding because I had run 3.11 first. Yeah, there we go. Why is that different? It's really weird. Like, why is pip not running the setup tools hooks? But it runs them in 3.11 is very weird. Yeah, so here it ran the install in a different way. Because this didn't trigger the like pyproject ban word thing. Has nothing to do with our requirements? No. That is technically correct. POSIX argument. This is so weird. Yeah, because this runs the old pip. Yeah, because we get this output here. Very weird. Like this shouldn't make a difference. It really shouldn't make a difference. For some reason it does. I don't know. The fucking easiest way to do this is Lamau? Future me problem. I thought I was being forceful with DFX. There's something about 2Fs that you need. I don't remember what it is, and it's been so long since I've checked. But I feel like you need force twice for some reason. Get clear, refuse delete files directories unless given -F. Yeah, Git will refuse to modify untracked nested Git directories unless a second F is given. Yeah, that's why FXFT. Nobody saw that failing. Please move on. Yeah, exactly. Explains why I have to untrack changes for FXD. Yeah. Yep, that's why I FXFD. You're still failing too? Oh no, don't tell me this has the same thing but different and again. Did not find a version that satisfies the requirement set of tools. Oh. Oh. This is the fucking You're gonna do the same thing there. I don't give a shit. We're doing the cards way out here. Yeah. I do it because I always have, is also why I only ever do L hurt. What is? I know T is like human readable time. What is H is human sizes. R is reverse order sorting by time. Okay, I guess that makes. Mine Tooth, hello, how you doing? It passes now. Definitely wasn't failing before. Saw nothing. Okay, but we have to fix the pregment hooks branch protection because these have 3/8. Things, branches, edit. Move you, then add 2. And 2. And save. I gotta jump here and touch my monitor. So now if I refresh this, ta-da! Hooray. That's done. This is done too. Oh, I was gonna let him review it. Fuck it. Oh well. Okay, this is done. And they all succeeded. Do I wait? I'll wait for tomorrow for the other guy to review it. Okay, so all that's left is this bit. I think I'm just gonna do this. Sure. I should already have this here. Pi version. Three 9. Does that change any outputs? Goodborg says, gonna go fill up some water bottles with a fork. Have a nice rest of the stream. Ah, so you're my average GitHub issue creator, right? Statement. It's a TikTok trend largely intersecting in brain power with your vocal users. Why the fuck is it a TikTok trend? God, the internet is a scary place. Very scary. Terrifying. Why are you the slowest one, 312? Oh, you're done. It's just... I guess this is another minor version. I think I made the same mistake last time in doing two back-to-back releases. IPI token. Cool. That's all I really want to get done today. And that went surprisingly smoothly in about 2.5 hours, so pretty good. Yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I'm probably not streaming tomorrow, but we'll stream Sunday instead. Yeah. But anyway, I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, so go subscribe there and check that out. Currently weekly videos. See if I can keep that up. But yeah, anyway, subscribe there. If you miss any part of the stream, those eventually go up on the second channel when I remember to upload. anthonywritescode-vods, but you need the @ sign here. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Of course, as I said, tomorrow, maybe not. And I announce my streams on the Discord, so come join and hang out with us. Yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go see someone else is streaming.